All right, y'all, now that you've learned how to edit your A-roll, that is your assignment going forward. So I want you to cut that footage of you talking and telling your story. Remember, this is the bones of your video. So this is the foundation of your house. Everything else is going to be built upon this foundation, and you cannot have a stable house if the foundation is sketchy, right? So this is really important. Now, I know we've been talking about a lot of technical skills, right? How to sync audio and how to deal with multiple cameras and all this stuff, but it is time to recenter and bring it back to the basics and what really matters, which is the story. And that's true for any video, but it is especially true for this project, which is the storytelling video challenge, right? So when you're editing your A-roll footage, I want you to have these flow specs top of mind at all times. So I want you to be thinking, how am I gonna have a catchy opening, a valuable middle that speaks to my target audience, smooth transitions, and an impactful closing. When you're sitting there on the fence thinking, should I include this clip or not? I want you to be brutally selective and always going back to your flow. So if a clip does not help with your flow, it's not going on your timeline. It is dead to you, it's trash, it's gone. If you are not sure whether a clip is worth including or not, then I'm gonna tell you right now, it's probably not worth it. If it's not interesting, if it's not contributing to your narrative, then don't get emotionally attached, just let it go. Every A-roll clip, every soundbite that you add to your timeline should be there for a reason. And you need those clips in the right order so that you're taking your viewers on the journey that you want to take them on. Now, if you're like, this sounds like a lot of pressure, I don't know if I'm gonna make the right decisions, then don't worry. Remember, you can ask for feedback if you need it from us in the group, and we will have your back. And that way you can feel good that the story edit that you're making is in good shape before you start layering a bunch of other visuals on it, because it is a lot easier to rearrange your sound bites and rework your story before you've added all these other elements to your timeline. All right, so that's your assignment. Cut up that A-roll footage, keep your eye on the story, and up next we'll be talking about editing your audio, so I'll see you there. Bye, y'all.